This is the sound, using the letters I and R to make the sound. Let's have a look at some real words now using the sound. Special friends, Fred talk, d, bird. Special friends, ch and Fred talk, ch, p, chirp. Special friends, th and Fred talk, d, third. Special friends, w and Fred talk, w, l, whirl. Special friends, qu and Fred talk, s, qu, t, squirt. Now let's have a look at some alien words with the sound in. Special friends, Fred talk, p, l, n, plern. Special friends, and th, Fred talk, th, hearth. Special friends, and ch, Fred talk, g, ch, gurch. Special friends, qu and Fred talk, qu, quirm.